Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Anwar and you're watching our channel Mohammed Anwar, and education for us all. So you find us once again in our kitchen, where we are going to show you another very simple recipe. It is going to be a pakora recipe. So what you find here is small pieces of potato, onions, and we're going to add the other ingredients to it. So we got a little bit of coriander going in there. Something else that we particularly like is spinach. So we have spinach going in there. Give that a good mix. Okay, the next main ingredient is going to be gram flour. About 3 or 4 tablespoons. So this is what we call our mix pakoras. And again, give that a good mix. So we decided to make a larger quantity, so put it in a bigger container. And spices as per taste. So we've got chili flakes, chilies, turmeric, salt, and garam masala in there. Give that another good mix. We've just added some water into there, viewers. I think we need a little bit more. Okay, so you mustn't make it too runny, otherwise it won't bond together. So over here we do have some oil that's heating away. Okay, so this needs a little bit more water. And there is our mixture ready to be made into pakoras. Just do a test run and then start putting small amounts in. Okay, there we go, in small clumps all over the pan. Okay, so these are, as I call them, are what we call large pakoras. You can make much smaller ones and cut those pieces into smaller pieces as well. Okay, so a good 2 minutes on one side, and then you can start to turn it over to see if it is cooking. Yes, it has cooked quite well. So as you can see, they're turning nice and yellow there, so they are cooking away nicely. So one side is really done, nicely done. We're just waiting for the other side now. So our pakoras are done, and we're going to put them in a dish to show you. And there we have it, what I call our mix pakora. Okay viewers, that is our finished product. I do hope you're going to try it. Until the next time, it just remains for me to say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Look after yourselves. Look after others. Until the next time, goodbye. नाज़रीन उम्मीद है आप ये हमारा इसे हम मिक्स पकौड़ा कहते हैं, इसमें 2-3 चीज़ें थी, पालक था, आलू थे, प्याज था। अपना ख्याल रखना। दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़। अल्लाह ने के बाद।